Are you sure we're learning about the sun today? The sun is bright and shiny, and this space is kind of dark.
You bet, Taylor. We are inside the heliostat here at the Michigan Science Center.
The helio what now?
Heliostat. Helios is a Greek word for sun.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
This device will let us see a projected video feed, and we can control the wavelength.
Oh, how cool is that?
Yeah, but here's the thing. You know you should never look directly into the sun.
That's right, for sure. That's a big, dangerous thing for your eyes.
Yeah, that's true, and it's extra true to never look into the solar eclipse like the one we're gonna have August 21st.
Oh, that is so cool, but I wish we could see it.
Psst. I'll let you in on a secret.
Okay.
We can!
Oh, I was hoping you'd say
in
that.
today's experiment.
Oh, let's go.
Hello, Paulette.
Hi, Izzy.
It's good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
Today I brought my friend Taylor.
Hi, Paulette.
Hi, Taylor.
It's nice to meet you. So, Paulette, you know stuff about outer space?
I do. I'm the planetarium and live theaters manager here at the Michigan Science Center. So I am also the staff astronomer, which means that I've done research in planetary, asteroid, and galactic astronomy.
Cool. Now, Paulette, I know you're not supposed to look directly at an eclipse, but I hear that there's one happening August 21st. Is that true?
Yes, that is true.
Wait, what's an eclipse?
Oh, that's a really good question, Taylor. So, I can actually show you.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we have an Earth right here.
Yes, you do.
And, Taylor, what I need you to do is I need you to be the sun.
Sure.
All right, awesome. So, there we go. You're the sun.
Great.
Our little flashlight right over there, and I just happen to have a moon.
Of course you do.
In my pocket. So the moon orbits around the Earth because smaller objects in our solar system orbit around larger objects.
Oh.
And most of the time, the moon is just orbiting around, and nothing special is really happening except for the moon going through all of its different phases.
Makes sense.
But every once in a while, our moon
Gets in the way.
gets in the way. Exactly. So it puts the Earth in the shadow from the moon. And that's what we have when we have a solar eclipse.
Wow. Well, Paulette, is there any way to see a solar eclipse because we can't look directly at the sun?
There is, and I can actually show you guys how to do that too.
Yes!
All right, so first things first, we're going to take our piece of cardstock right here, and when you look at that piece of cardstock, if you're looking at the light, can you see some light through that? Can you see some shadow behind it?
Ooh, I kind of can.
Yeah, so we're actually going to try and make it so that we can't see anything through it.
Oh, okay.
And that's where we're going to use that aluminum foil. So what we're going to do is cut a hole right here in the center of our cardstock. So this can be a little bit tricky. You might need to ask a grown-up for help with this part.
Sure.
All right, so let's go ahead and make that hole right there in the center. And you don't want it to be too big, but you also don't want it to be too small.
Sure.
All right. Okay, so there we go. Now, we're gonna use this right here as a template for our aluminum foil. So we've got our aluminum foil right here, we've got a little piece rolled off. Use it as a template, and we're gonna cut that right across right there.
So we want the aluminum foil to be a little bit bigger than the hole.
Exactly. The aluminum foil has to be a little bit bigger than the hole so that we can actually attach it.
Makes sense.
Which brings me to our next part. If we take our glue stick right here, glue stick's always so much fun. All right. We can put the glue stick on that piece of paper right around the outside. Just like that. Oop, a little bit sticky. And attach our aluminum foil to that piece of paper. Just like that.
Oh. But now, Paulette, we still can't see through the aluminum foil.
Nope. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that pin. Remember, we had our pin. And we're going to poke a hole in our aluminum foil. Just a tiny little hole.
So the sun's gonna pass right through that tiny hole.
Exactly. So let's test it out.
Yes.
Whoa! Do you see it, Izzy?
I see it.
It's so cool.
There's the sun right there.
I see it.
was awesome, but I've seen pictures of solar eclipses in real life, and I really wish we could see one.
Well, I believe we can here at the Toyota Engineering 4D Theater, right, Paulette?
That's right, here at the Michigan Science Center. We're going to be live streaming the solar eclipse all throughout the United States here at the Science Center.
Wow, we have to go, Izzy.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Well, thanks so much for telling us,
Thank
Paulette.
you, Paulette.
Yeah, and I hope to see you guys on August 23rd.
You will. Bye.
Bye-bye. And remember, you kids can try this too. Join the virtual camp from Metro Parent and the Michigan Science Center to get reminders of the next amazing science experiment we'll do.